I'm good, Lioness. I trust you are well.
I'm great. I'm even happier now that you brought Bubbles back into the fold.
So am I. She's a bit rusty, but she's sharpening up pretty fast.
Mullings, we have to get her into the professor's dojo as soon as possible. It is important that she gets into tip-top physical condition.
I totally understand. However, there's a case that she's presently on that I would like to use as her initiation into the traffic.
Is it one we're familiar with?
Not sure, but it involves a minister's daughter.
One of your local ministers?
Yes.
That's strange. There's nothing on our radar that shows this, and we would have known.
Not on your radar? It's all making sense now. Okay, Lioness, what's the assignment?
As it relates to your end, there is suspicion that the local ring may be run by a woman, and the church may be heavily involved.
A woman? I will start some preliminary investigations, then call her in.
Please do. This is getting out of hand. We have to act fast.
What is the status of Raven's daughter?
We still haven't established any solid leads yet, and her sister Jaguar is itching to go.
Let's follow all protocol on this one.
I'm not sure I can follow protocol on this one, Mr. Mullings. This is personal.
Hello, Jaguar. Thought I sensed your presence.
Sir, we need to start gathering intel. Every day that passes makes our chances slimmer.
I can understand your frustration. This is not a case you should have been on because of your close ties with the victim. This is why protocol must be observed. There can be no emotions involved. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Lioness, I will be in touch.
Yes, old friend.